They say a goal without a plan is just a wish, and when it comes to healthy eating, nutrition, optimal nutrition, dieting, whatever you want to call it, the planning is one of the most crucial parts, but it's something a lot of us fall short in, especially me. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy eating healthy foods. I hate planning. I just don't like to take the time to do it. So I want to share something with you that I've been working with lately, using ChatGPT to come up with new ideas. Quickly makes the shopping list. So I can say, give me 10 meal plan ideas. Maybe I could choose 5 of those, however many I want. And then what I'll do is say, make me a shopping list categorized by produce, dry goods, frozen foods, meats, dairy, however you want it categorized. Then once it's categorized, bam, you've got your shopping list. And then after that, you can make the recipes. So let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about here. If we go into ChatGPT, I just put in, I'd like to make some easy, delicious, it's got to be delicious, but incredibly healthy meals this week. Can you give me 10 options to choose from? Then I'll choose 5 of them and ask for a shopping list and recipe. So going to hit return. And of course, while this is going, I'll say, you can ask it whatever you want. I want vegetarian meals. I'm doing meatless, or I'm only eating chicken and fish. So you can make it specific for whatever you're looking for, and you can even throw in there, I want healthy snack ideas throughout the day, and it's going to give you all of these things, but it's going to help you come up with that shopping list. And a lot of times you can do this planning in 5 minutes or less. So let's see what this came up with here. Mediterranean salmon bowls, sheet pan chicken and roasted vegetables, lentil spinach soup. I won't read all of these. You can kind of see these here. Bison and elk burgers, yum. Chickpea, and you might be like, I hate kale. I'm not doing kale. I know how healthy kale is, but I am not doing kale. So that's why I asked for 10. And you could refine it further. You could say, hey, I don't know if did I see salmon on here? Oh yeah, there we go. Some salmon bowls. You might be like, I'm on a salmon kick, or whatever. So you could refine it further and ask for something else. Now I'm just going to go with, let's just say, I'm going to go with number 1. I like some stir fry. 1, 4, and then 6 through 10. So now it's going to pop this up so fast. Here's your shopping list. Bam. There's your produce. And this is nice to have it categorized so that when you get to the grocery store, you can very easily knock this out, and so this could be for the whole week. So we go in here, and then once you do this, of course, after that, then you could type in, now make me the recipes. And again, you can make it very specific and very individualized. But there's your shopping list. You could copy and paste this, put it into, throw it into a text message, throw it into an email, however you want. So let's say, let me know if you would like me to add or adjust anything. Here's where you could say, throw in some healthy snack ideas for the week. Bam. Great idea. Thank you, ChatGPT. Great idea. Hummus and veggies, Greek yogurt and berries. Apple with nut butter, avocado toast. Love it. So there's that. And of course, and now it's giving you a lot. So then you could say, hey, I only want this, this, and this. Add it to my shopping list. And then find, oh, look at this. Sweet tooth fixes, healthy options. Chia seed pudding? What? So there you go. And then, of course, finally, you'd say, great. Make me for my meal options. Bam. Here are your healthy meal recipes for the week. And then, of course, you could just refer back to this when it's time to make each of these. Instruction, cook the quinoa, prepare the salmon. Here's how to do it, assemble the bowl. I won't read all of these, but hopefully that gives you some ideas, inspires you a little bit to use ChatGPT, because we've got a lot working against us. We're busy. We've got these hyper palatable foods, these delicious foods that are hard to resist, all of these temptations. So we've got to find whatever strategies that we can, whatever help that we can to help keep us on track, to help us with that planning. And I think that this is one great resource.